Coach! Ethan is gone! What? Where is he? Coach, look at this message. Who sent it? I don't know. Tomorrow is our biggest match. We will win together. Ethan, are you nervous? A little. You will be great. Stay together tomorrow. We will. And trust each other. Why is someone watching me? Is that a sound? Hello? Who wrote this? Where did you find it? At the stadium. This is strange.
Don't worry.
But someone knows about me.
I will handle it.
Tomorrow will change everything.
Are you sure?
Yes. Hello?
Do not play tomorrow.
I cannot understand this. But I will not run away. Tomorrow, I will play. Are you okay? Yes. You look tired. Another call? Yes. Don't answer it.
You should go home early.
Why?
Just trust me.
That van was not here before. Who is inside? I should leave. Ethan, answer your phone! Where are you? Please call me back. Ethan? Where are you? This is not normal.
Check every room.
I already checked the locker room.
Then check again.
Coach!
What did you find?
His boots!
Show me the camera.
There!
Wait. Stop the video.
Why did the camera stop?
Someone turned it off.
Someone planned this.
What happened to Ethan?
He disappeared.
When? This message is important.
Why?
Look at the paper. I have seen this handwriting before.
Where?
In the team office.
What are we looking for?
Anything unusual?
Be careful.
I found something.
What is it?
A stadium map.
This room is not on the new map.
It is very old.
Maybe Ethan is here.
Stay behind me.
Okay.
Open it.
What is this place?
Someone used it recently.
Look at that screen.
That's Ethan!
He was here.
Look at the time.
Someone followed him.
Who was it?
We need to find out.
Wait.
What?
Zoom in. Zoom in.
That jacket.
Yes.
Marcus.
They know. I have to tell them. But it may be too late.
Where is Ethan?
I don't know.
Tell me the truth.
I tried to warn him.
You?
Someone planned to stop Ethan. Ethan found something.
What did he find?
A secret plan. We are close.
Stay together.
I hear something.
Ethan? Ryan? Ethan! Are you okay? Yes. What happened? I found the plan.
What plan?
Someone wanted to change the final. Someone changed the team list
Why?
to remove me from the final. I knew about the plan. Why didn't you stop it? I was afraid.
Fear can make us choose badly.
I am sorry.
Then make it right.
Tomorrow, we play fair.
And we play together. No matter what. I almost lost everything. But I will not give up. Let's play. Ready? Ready.
Play your best.
Ryan, pass! Here! 1 minute! We can do this! Shoot! We did it! We won! Together! Ethan, I am sorry. I forgive you.
Winning is not everything.